We're out here with Terraine, owner of All Terraine Cleaning Solutions. We just have a few questions for him just to ask about his business here and ask what services he provides and why we should pick All Terraine over other companies that offer the same services.
Hi everyone, thank you for visiting us. I'm Terraine, as I'm sure stated, and we've been in business here as All Terraine Cleaning Solutions. We started this company right at the end of COVID, and I figured and thought to myself, like many of us here in the United States, a lot of people got laid off, didn't like the idea of going into the office, and my background is in sales and marketing. Believe me, I know what it's like. Working in the office 9 to 5, and kudos to everyone that has to do the grind, but a lot of us have used our capabilities, our talents, and our resources to really find a way to buy back our freedom and our time, if you will. So with all that I've learned and acquired over the years, as far as having a background being mechanically inclined, different type of constructions and maintenance and customer service and marketing and sales, I figured to myself, what is something I can do that would be helpful to my neighbors, to my family, to the community, to my city, and how would I be able to change Sacramento in specific, one house at a time? So I said, well, man, you're pretty talented. You're kind of a jack of many trades, and some people say jack of all trades. And so I said, being that I have organizational skills, let's organize something grassroots and build it up from the ground up, and let's implement integrity, let's implement honesty, let's implement, communication and just that contact of the bond of fostering relationships. So with this company here, like I said, we started in 2022 and been going strong using all the experience that I've gained over my time in the work field, and now I'm able to provide that for my neighbors and my communities. And we work with everyone from management companies to senior citizens to the elderly to single parents, you name it, we can help you. And the services that we do, of course, we do our gutter cleaning, we do the drive-in cleaning, we do roof soft wash, house soft wash, we do move-out, move-in deep cleaning, and a slew of other things, solar panel cleaning, bird proofing. So if you're in need of any of the services, feel free to reach out. You can contact me directly. When you call when you make the phone number ring, you're gonna get a real person, a person that has questions, aspirations, and things concerns just like you, and down to earth, and will be honest with you and be straightforward with you and give you the real reasons why people would choose, or our clients choose, and they love All Terraine Cleaning Solutions. First and foremost, I'm a man of God, a man of integrity, father, husband, grandfather, son, brother, pastor.
He really knows me, he shows me revelation. When I enter into his presence, I'm praying for a manifestation. It's the best destination in the secret place of the Most High. It's my safe haven, it's the restoration that I need for my soul deeply.